come make some ackee and saltfish with me with a little bit of ackee. When me say little bit of ackee, 2 grain of ackee. Wash me saltfish. Watch me and boil me saltfish. Put in me saltfish. Alright. Wash me ackee. Me no tell you me for wash. Me no expert. Cut up me sweet pepper. Cut up me onion. Alright, watching knife. Alright, cut up. Alright. Watch me 2 grain of ackee. Alright. See that big plantain, if you ever say it look like no, hey, watch me fry up my plantain, alright, golden, nice brown plantain, fry. Whoa, you know want some of my plantain? Alright, watch me now, alright, a little birdie tell me say if you burn ginger, it will make your stomach not burn you. Alright, see then now, me I speed it up, me I fry up my seasoning, alright, boy, watch, want smell the aroma? Fry. Whoa, watch this saltfish. Them say if you ever see saltfish head, you run left your bat pan a close. Little bit of saltfish, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count the saltfish. I chop me and make. Watch the little 2 grain of ackee. Watch me golden brown saltfish. Catch presentation. Alright. Catch presentation, Lord Jesus, for the woo, little bit of orange juice. Belly just a roll, so how hungry see Jesus. Yes, watch me good on National Giant bread.